Good morning student. Today I am going to explain history lesson number. In my book it is lesson number 7 because it is the old edition. Might be in your book it is 6th lesson there. That is new questions and ideas part 1, the story of Buddha. Now you will think that madam why you have that lesson there, some lesson, because the CBSE has reduced 30% syllabus. So this 30% which lessons reduced, that I am going to tell you. Okay. Now mention in your textbook which lesson reduced by me, because the 30% syllabus CBSE told that we have to reduce it. Understood? Then which lesson, that is what books and materials tell us this reduce syllabus. This reduce syllabus. Then another lesson is kingdoms, kings and early republic. These two lessons reduced. Understood? This and these two lessons reduced. The 30% syllabus. In the new book you have 11 lessons. In old edition it is 12 lessons are there. These two lessons reduced because the 30% syllabus reduced. Now see, history 2 lesson reduced. Again civics also 2 lesson, and the geography 1 lesson reduced there. Whenever I will explain civics, at that time I will tell which lesson you should not have to learn, and whenever I explain geography, at that time I will tell you that which lesson reduced. Understood? Now here, so I came here on lesson number 7 in my book, lesson number 7, that new questions and the ideas part 1, the story of Buddha. Now see here in the textbook. The story is given about the Gautam Buddha. Understood? Now before coming on the textbook there, I want to tell the story of Gautam Buddha childhood. And that story, I always like that story there, and I think that I should tell to you also that story is there. Understood? Gautam Buddha, his real name was Siddhartha. Understood? And his father's name was Shuddhodhan, and his mother's name was Mayadevi. Understood? Now his father was a king, and his Gautam Buddha was prince also. Understood? Whenever he born, the people were very happy because they got such a handsome prince there. Now the kings and the queens were very happy. People were celebrating the festivals also, and all the joyful atmosphere everywhere. Got it? Now what happened? One learned person, those who know the future, तो जिसको भविष्य बताना आता है, that learned person came in that kingdom. Understood? Now he met to Gautam Buddha's father, and whenever he saw that boy, he said the future of that boy, and he had done the prediction that about the boy he would be a greatest king or a spiritual leader there, a greatest spiritual leader or the greatest king. Now as a father and the mother, they thought that their son must be a greatest king. Understood? But what? And that's why. And again one condition that the person those who were telling the future, he said to his father and mother that don't show any such sorrowful things to him, that he would go to that another path, that spiritual leaders. That path he should not go there. Understood? That's why his father always be trying to show a good thing things there. He had kept all such young people in his palace there to work. Whenever this Siddhartha was waking up, now that all the maids were welcoming by giving such a rose flowers there, and everything. This the atmosphere was very this holy atmosphere, pure atmosphere, showing that such a flowers and everything there. This he could not understand the sorrow. That's why his father was doing such a things. Understood? And whenever he was going where to the outside, means whenever he was going to the outside, to at that time also not a single old person was coming in front of him, and nothing there. But what happened one day, whenever he went to take a round of the city, at that time he was alone, and though there was a curtain to his chariot means rath, though there was a curtain to the chariot, now he pulled that one and he saw outside. At that time he saw the first time the old person walking on the road, taking the support of stick, and he had a hump also. Understood? Now he asked to his charioteer बोले तो जो रथ चलाने वाला है, that is called the charioteer. Now he asked to him, then what happened? Why the person that man is going like this, and why he had taken the support of stick, and what is there the back of his. Now the first of all the charioteer was not ready to tell him, but he said, tell, I am the prince, I want to know what is that. Now he said, because of the old age that person had hump also, and he cannot walk, that's why he had taken the stick as a support there. Now he said that, means, and he said, then after some years I also will like that. Now the charioteer keep first of all the silent. Then he again threw tantrum, means again he asked again and again. Then the charioteer said, yes, you also there. Now when again they had taken the round, at that time they saw what the man who was on the roadside was shouting and screaming there. And he said that why he is shouting and screaming? Because he was suffering from leprosy. Leprosy, it is saying in Hindi Marathi Maharog. Now it is eradicated by the society, but at that time such a disease was there. And the family not allowed to the person to live at home. That's why he was sitting at the roadside and shouting and screaming there. Now again this Gautam Buddha asked, what is it? The charioteer said like this. Again they went there, and they had seen the funeral procession. He said that what is it? Why that one lady's funeral procession he had seen. Now he said why this lady had slept there, and why these relatives crying, and where they are taking that lady. Now he said that lady is died. Now first time he came to understand what is meant by the death. Now he said this again. Buddha asked to the charioteer, now I also will be like this. Now he said yes. Those who have taken birth on the earth, that they must have to die. Understood? Means all the living things can be disappear on the earth there. He was too much upset. He came at home. At night, whole night he could not sleep, and he decided to leave all the comforts there, and he went there to the jungle there for do the meditation, and afterwards he became Buddha. Buddha means wise person. That is the story. Now come on the textbook stories there. Here these 2-3 lines that is given about Anagha. Anagha is one of the girl, and she was going to the school trip fair in Madhya Pradesh. And when her mother came to see of her, and she told her teacher that tell the stories of Buddha to the children and show the Sarnath also there. Understood? Now here the story of Buddha. Now the Siddhartha. Siddhartha is also known as Gautam Buddha. Understood? Now he he was the famous as the Gautam Buddha, and he was born 2500 years ago. Understood? At that time, this time was somewhat changes happened in that time. The cities and the villages were developed, and this whenever it's developed there, at that time some thinkers were there. Some thinkers they also wanted what is life. Yes, they wanted to study what is life there. Some thinkers were there. Now some new cities developed, some villages also developed there, and some thinkers they wanted that what is life. Now here Gautam Buddha was left the house where when he was very young, and he left his house and he went where to search the truth. Understood? What is the truth? For searching the truth, he went where he left the house and he went to the jungle. Now he went everywhere, then by foot, and he got many followers also there. He discussed with the learned persons. Again, his discuss also with the learned person there. But he was not satisfied. His concept were not clear. That's why he thought that he should have to find out his path, its own there. And that's why for the realization he went where in Buddha Gaya, and he sat there under the peepal tree and he had done the meditation. After the meditation there, after many years he had done the meditation, and then he got knowledge, means enlightenment he got it. And whenever he got enlightenment, he famous as God, famous as Buddha. And what is mean by Buddha? Buddha means wise one. Understood? At first time he delivered his speech, means first time his teaching where in Sarnath, where it is in Varanasi. Understood? Now first time he had delivered his speech to the people. Now he went everywhere by the foot and he had given the teaching to the people. Now what is the teaching of Gautam Buddha? Gautam Buddha's teaching was the life is full of sorrows and unhappiness. Understood? Now he said that why our life is full of unhappiness and the sorrows there? Because we have such a desire and cravings. It means that cravings means लालच है, अपने मन में लालच है, and we are not happy. Whatever we get, we are not satisfied. For example, if we have 1000 rupees there, we think that we want more, and Gautam Buddha say it is Trishna. Trishna means tahan. ये काय की तृष्णा है? पानी की प्यास है क्या ये? No. It means that we must be this Trishna means this पानी की प्यास नहीं है. फिर काय की प्यास है? This प्यास is of the collecting the money of desire there. And Gautam Buddha say it is unending. It's never till our last breath we want more and more there. Now Buddha said we must have to stop that one there. Then only we can understand the truth of the life. Again he believed that respect to the life of others, not only the human, the animals life also we should have to respect. He believed that whatever the good deeds we do and whatever the bad deeds we do, it's the effect where in this life and after life here. It means that he believed on karmas. Understood? Now such a thinkers, he was such a great thinker. He had given such a knowledge to the people. He went by foot everywhere. In between he got many followers also, and he was from first he born from the small Gana. Gana means group, and what is the name of his Gana? That is the Sakya Gana. Understood? Here one story it is given in your textbook. That is the Kisha Gautami story there. It is very famous. Gautam Buddha's many such stories are there. That is famous as a Jatak Katha. It is famous it as a Jatak Katha, and I think that in our library also such a books there. Whenever the school open, at that time we should have to read the stories of Gautam Buddha. Understood? That one story just one first story just I told you now from the textbook. It is the Kisha Gautami story there. One of the woman whose name was Kisha Gautami. Kisha Gautami, and her son died. She was so crying, she was shouting, sobbing, and she moving there and telling that somebody return the life of my son. Somebody return the life of my son. Can anybody do like this? No. But she was so crying there that one person came to her and he told to Kisha Gautami that you go to Buddha's ashram there, he might be he will return your son's life. Whenever she came to understand Buddha can do like this, she went to the ashramas in Gautam Buddha. And she told the story what had happened. And she was so crying, so loudly crying, she was screaming, she was sobbing. And she said that, return the life of my son, return the life of my son. Buddha was so calm, so quiet, and only the smile on his face. And he said that, okay, I will return the life of your son. Now she suddenly stopped crying there, and she was seeing on the face of Gautam Buddha. And when she was seeing on the face of Gautam Buddha said, I am ready to return the life of your son, but one condition is there. Now she said that, yes, what condition there? You go and bring the mustard seed from any house there. Mustard seed means rice which we use it in the kitchen. Understood? The Buddha said that, you bring the mustard seed from anybody's house there. She thought that such a simple work there, and she was going. Suddenly Gautam Buddha said, I have not completed my word. Listen first what you have to do. Kisha Gautami stopped there. And she said, what Buddha, what do you want to say to me? Now Buddha said, but one condition is there. You have to bring the mustard seed from such a house where the death never will happen. Death never will happen. From that you have to go. She thought that it's very easy. She went door to door, but she were getting the answer. What answer getting? Yes, somebody died. Somebody's father, forefathers died. Anybody's wife, then son, and she could not get the mustard seed. She came back, and whenever she was coming, she was thinking that what death is immortal there. And she came in the ashrama. She touched the feet of Gautam Buddha, and she said that I came to understand the truth there, death is immortal. Understood? And now she became the devotee of Gautam Buddha. That is the story is given in your textbook. Such a many stories are there about the Gautam Buddha in the Jatak Kathas there. That is that whenever you will get the chance or you have to read that one, it's very important to take the knowledge from the story there. Understood? Now this another part I will explain it in part 2. Understood? This is part 1. And just I told you the review syllabus, the what books and videos tells us, kingdoms, kings and early republic. These 2 lessons we should not have to read, or we should not have to study all that one from the course book. Understood? Yes. Thank you, my children.